For those of you that don't have the Excel app downloaded, even though you can download it and have a free license because of your email with the school, so I recommend that if you don't have it installed yet, you install it. But if you don't have it, don't try to use the Excel online. It's a bit trickier, but rather use the Google Sheet, which is free. So what you're gonna have to do, and I'm going to be just really fast in this one, so you just see how it works. So you click here on the insert chart, it's going to appear empty. So in the setup, begin going down with the options. The first one, you know, that is going to be a scatter plot. Data range. Basically this means that sometimes with Google, if you try to place all the information from the table, he would automatically try to do it. So far leave it like that. Just say that the range of all the data is the table itself. Now the x-axis, you're going to select, well, what would be, and since these three are the same, it's just a repeating, you're just going to use one of them right here. So you click here, you select them. Now you know that it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the series, what you're gonna want to do, I can even remove this, is select the Y data, the information regarding the Y-axis. So in this case, this would be the first series. You add the other one. You select the other series. And there you go. Then for the customization, you go and start fitting each one of these. So right here you can start customizing all the things that you need. The trend line, this is the one that you should use, just like in Excel, so you could analyze it. I hope this works.